What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Twitter lag issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all try updating the Twitter app. So for that, open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for Twitter app. Now from here, if you have not updated the app to the latest version, then it will show a update option here, and tap on update to update the app, and after updating, the Twitter lag issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then try updating the phone's software. So for that, open settings. Now tap on about phone and then tap on software version. Now from here it will automatically check for available update. So if you have any update available, then update the phone to the latest version, and after updating the phone to the latest version, the Twitter lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down and release your finger when this circle gets green, and after that the phone will be restarted. And restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like app lagging issues. So that's how you can fix Twitter lag issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.